past that one house.
Nah. What we did, we got through like that one area that leads up to that big field, but we had to go back for that C4, and we got derailed, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Never.
No hesitation. Strike with
Don't
speed
rush
and
in on
silence.
hardcore. That shit is hard.
Did we really
Let's go. It's not even on hardcore. Hurry up, guys.
Saddam Hussein.
Lift that dude up. Got his ass. Yo.
Guys, can we do one? Someone come with me for
I'm just better. I'm greater.
Alright, guys.
But I answered my
We
question
should
about
add a
having any
revolver
ammo.
to this game.
Oh, headshot.
We should. Fuck.
I have a feeling
We should add
Brian
a
Gold's about to
revolver
come
to
out
this
of this corner. He comes out of the bedroom. We might just meet him right here.
I look, you might just play like this. Like hip fire everything.
Yeah.
A laser as a crosshair, that's what I'm doing. Knock knock.
Dude, you know your gun cam that faces you, like it's your camera on your gun? I'm recording right now and then your face is like showing on there. Yeah. Like it's on your gun but it shows your Alright, it should be weird.
Target secure. Keep your heads up.
Oh shit. Did we get him?
But I'm gonna go check the other room. What?
Is there like a bomb or something?
No, we gotta find the computer. You have a hard drive.
Alright.
Damn. Or didn't have a good time.
Let's go back, cause that hallway to the bedroom. Or this might be it. This might be the hallway.
It's the library.
Okay, we got the library.
It's like through over here. Yeah,
Let's
it's down
say
here.
library and not library. Make me mad. It's not that hard to say. Oh wow.
Dark ass room right there.
Why is there? Oh hell no. Yo, bro, come over here.
Yo.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
What?
What? Why does this game have like the horror hallway? What the fuck?
Oh god damn. Yo, I don't want to live here anymore.
We don't. What?
Just an
Yeah, this is
empty ass
definitely
room.
the kid. This is definitely the kid Benedetto room. Oh, he's got a home movie theater? Yeah, he definitely. What the?
I know
Bro,
the
we've
bed.
had like almost no contact, I swear.
We have no contact. Bro, be careful.
Alright, David. Are you overshooting the bodies?
I'm gonna clear the...
There's no reason to shoot that much unless there's like 4 guys. There was 2 of them, and yeah. They kept on moving everywhere, that's why. Oh, they're like cockroaches.
Found the computers and monitor room.
And I ran out of ammo for my for my primary, so I had to reload. But I thought, did we get the guy at least? The fastest option is just to go to
Yes,
secondary.
we got Epstein.
Bro, who left their spotter scope?
Alright, so low key, just plug that boy in and everybody take cover, I guess.
How much did you pay his balls?
Enough.
Hi
Alright, I'm
guys,
about to get into
come
a
in.
room. Hold
In
out.
that very obvious dark hallway.
People will do anything for
Hey!
literally anything.
Dude, there's an enemy right there!
You know, 20 bucks is 20 bucks, you know.
20 bucks is 20 bucks.
Guys, where are you? I'm
Can I shoot the
scared.
computer?
Guy all alone, scared.
You shoot the computer. Melee the computer. No balls.
I shot it and nothing happened.
No balls. You shoot it. No balls. You won't backhand it with your the buddy you
Dude,
stop.
yeah,
No balls.
Being a bad boy.
We copy on your primary objective. Getting a bird to your location for extraction now. Designating LZ with red smoke.
Where's my friend at? Lucky. Wait, are you Lucky, right? Never mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, you.
What?
I didn't tell you to shut up. I told someone else to shut up. By the way. Not you.
I was looking for you guys the entire time.
Oh, yeah, we were down here.
Just shoot his ass. It's not that hard.
Bro!
Where my friend at?
Yeah, I'm coming from the main entrance. I almost just fucking died. I've always put in those die-hard situations where I'm like in cover trying to get my gun. There's always like 5 people on my ass.
The bird's on its way to you now. We observe multiple hostiles moving to the location.
Alright, we got
So-
this.
Your halos
Ooh, that was a headshot.
Just go hide in this smoke till it all clears up. 50 seconds.
You're using night vision?
Yeah,
I'm not.
See,
it's cool.
can't identify.
I got 2 bullets. I'm just